Thunder rolls across the forest as Merida tightens her bowstring, heart pounding. A ghostly whisper cuts through the mist. Return what was stolen. She spins around. No one's there. Her torch flickers, revealing glowing eyes watching from the darkness. A spirit wolf steps forward, its fur glimmering like moonlight. You took my arrow. I forged this myself. The wolf growls, and the ground trembles beneath her feet. The arrow in her hand glows blue, then rises on its own, speeding with wild magic. It shoots upward, tearing open a glowing rift in the clouds. Wind howls. The spirit wolf leaps into the light, and halfway through, his form begins to turn human. Merida fires another arrow and dives after him, tumbling through swirling colors of time. They crash onto a frozen battlefield. Two identical glowing arrows lie side by side in the snow. You're the one who stole it. From the future. Then how do we fix it? By aiming true this time. They raise their bows together, fire into the light, and the world flashes white.
If you have been using Grok AI for your content and you opened it recently only to find that the free access you were used to is gone, I understand the frustration. A lot of creators who built their entire video workflow around Grok hit that wall in the last few days and immediately assumed it was over. That Grok was now a $40 a month tool and completely out of reach. That assumption is wrong. And in this video I am going to show you exactly why. Grok did change. The completely unlimited free tier that existed before is no longer available in the same way. But what most people missed in the middle of all the confusion is that there is a path to Grok access that costs as little as $2 to $3 a month depending on where you are in the world. Not $40. Not $30. $2 to $3. And at that price point you get 50 video generations per day, which for most content creators is more than enough to maintain a consistent publishing schedule. I am going to walk you through the complete setup process step by step on screen. By the end of this video you will know exactly which plan to choose, how to connect everything correctly, and how to start generating immediately. Subscribe to Padded Vibes right now so you never miss a tutorial like this. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from. Now let us get into this properly. Step 1. Understanding why Grok changed and what actually happened. On screen now, Grok AI is built and operated by xAI, which is Elon Musk's AI company. xAI and X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, are closely connected. When Grok moved away from completely unlimited free access, it did not move to a standalone $40 subscription as the only option. What actually happened is that Grok Access became tied to X Premium, which is X's existing subscription system. This is important to understand because X Premium has multiple tiers at different price points. Most people saw the headline price of the highest Grok tier and assumed that was the only way in. It is not. The entry-level X Premium tier includes Grok Access at a significantly lower price, and for content creators who need reliable daily video generation, it is the tier worth knowing about. On screen now, here is the breakdown of what X Premium tiers exist and what each one includes for Grok users. The basic tier is the lowest priced option on X Premium, but it does not include Grok Access. This is the one to avoid if Grok is your reason for subscribing. Check this carefully before you pay because the basic tier looks appealing on price, but it will not solve your problem. The premium tier is the one that includes Grok Access. Depending on your location, this tier costs between $2 and $5 per month. In the United States, it is currently around $3 per month for the introductory period. This tier gives you the verified checkmark on your X profile, enhanced Grok Access, and 50 video generations per day through Grok. It also includes additional X platform features like advanced analytics, boosted replies, and reduced ads in your feed. Note that the introductory pricing typically applies for the first 2 months and then moves to a slightly higher standard rate, so factor that in when deciding. The Premium Plus tier is the highest option and includes everything in Premium Plus, what was previously called Super Grok, which raises your daily video generation limit to 200 per day. This tier is priced significantly higher and is designed for creators who need extremely high volume daily output. For most creators, the 50 generations per day on the standard premium tier is more than sufficient. On screen now, the decision for most content creators is straightforward. If you need Grok for consistent daily video creation and 50 generations per day covers your workflow, the standard premium tier at $2 to $3 per month is your entry point. If you run a high-volume operation and need 200 generations per day, Premium Plus is the option to consider. Step 2. Setting up your X account. Open your browser and go to x.com. This is the official website for the platform previously known as Twitter. If you do not have an X account yet, you need to create one before you can subscribe to X Premium. Click the Sign Up option and create your account using your email address or sign in with Google. If you already have an X account, go to x.com and log in. On screen now, once you are logged in, look at the left side navigation panel. Click on your profile picture or your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Premium and click it. On screen now, this is the X Premium subscription page. You will see the different tier options laid out side by side. Take a moment to read through each one carefully before selecting. Identify the premium tier, not basic and not premium plus. Confirm it shows Grok access listed in the features. The exact price you see will reflect your location and the current promotional pricing. Click the subscribe button for the premium tier. On screen now, you will be taken to the payment screen. Enter your card details. The charge will appear on your statement as an X Premium subscription. Complete the payment and wait for the confirmation screen to appear. Once your subscription is confirmed, you will be redirected back to your X account. Look at your profile now. You will see the blue verification checkmark appearing next to your name. This is the visual confirmation that your premium subscription is active. Step 3. Connecting your X Premium account to Grok. This is the step that most people miss, and it is the reason some creators subscribe and then find that Grok still does not work properly. The connection between your X Premium subscription and Grok requires a specific login method, and using the wrong one means your subscription benefits do not carry through. Go back to your profile on X and click on your profile picture again. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Open Grok. Click it. This will open the Grok interface directly from your X account. On screen now, the Grok login screen appears. Here is the critical part. Do not log into Grok using Google. Do not log in with your email and password. Instead, look for the option that says Continue with X and click that. This is the specific login path that connects your X Premium subscription to your Grok access. On screen now, clicking Continue with X will trigger an authorization prompt. Once you authorize the connection, your X Premium benefits are immediately linked to your Grok account. The subscription your payment covers is now active and your Grok access is restored. Your Grok access is restored with 50 daily video generations.
Wow, I didn't expect this plot at all.
Yeah, it's totally unexpected. Never thought that would happen.
It's the best twist ever! I can't believe they did that!
Set your resolution to 720p for testing, plan your prompts before generating, work scene by scene, and download every usable clip immediately. The total monthly cost for this access in the United States is approximately $3 during the introductory period. That is the price of 1 cup of coffee for a month of consistent AI video generation capability. Comment GROK below right now and I will reply with my exact prompt templates for getting the best results from Grok for story content and faceless channel videos. And if you want to see how to combine Grok with the other free tools I have covered on this channel into one complete content creation system, comment system below, and that is my next video.